Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can clone any website using the AI tool. And after cloning that website, we are going to host that website. So I'm going to clone here the netflix.com. So you need to open that website. You can open any website. So first of all, we're going to take a screenshot of that page and that AI tool will create the as it is design for you. So first of all, I'm going to use the extension Go Full Page extension that can take my whole page screenshot. I'm going to take that screenshot as a PNG file. As you can see here, this is around 6.8 MB. So I need to make sure that screenshot is less than the 2 MB. Another tool, bulk resize image. And I'm going to just resize that screenshot like this and make it 60%. And just click on start. And this is around 3 MB, that is fine. Now, we are going to open the AI tool and that tool name is V0Dev, and you can see V0 Versal. Make sure you need to create an account in this tool. So I'm going to click on the sign in button. If you already have accounts, you can sign in. If you don't have accounts, you need to sign up with the GitHub account. Okay. Now, what I need to do here, I need to paste the website URL. Go to website, copy URL, go here and just type here I need to clone this website, okay, and use the URL. Here is the URL of website like this. I need the code in single HTML, JS, CSS file, and here is the screenshot. So I'm going to click on the attach file, upload from computer, and we have one screenshot, this one. Upload this and wait some seconds. It's done. Now let's click on enter and wait some second and that will create the as it is clone for you. As you can see here, its thinking is like Netflix logo is red at top left, language and everything. Now after cloning, we are going to host this website also. So just wait some seconds. Now you can see this is the HTML code. Let me just try to preview this. And that's really fantastic. As you can see here, he added all the pictures, dummy pictures, content and everything. What I am going to do here, I'm going to just copy that code, go to the netflix-clone.html here, copy the entire code, or you can download that code, like download the HTML file like this. Okay, now you can open that code here in browser. That's really amazing, right? Fantastic. Now I need to host that website. As you can see, this is in my local host now. Now I'm going to host that website in the GitHub. So first of all, open the GitHub and here you need to create a repo. So click on new and repository name is something Netflix clone website, Netflix clone website. Okay, like this, and just make it public and just scroll down and just click on the create repository and wait some seconds and done. Now, as you can see here, upload an existing file. Okay, click on this. So click on choose your file and as you can see netflix-clone.html. So make sure rename that file to the index.html. Okay, index.html and just save it and upload that file. That's it. Now as you can see here, we have the index.html file. Now we need to publish this. So click on the setting and in the left side you will see the pages option. Click on it. Now as you can see here, the branches. So in the branch you can see the none. So select to the main and click on save. Now we just need to go to the URL, okay, and make sure what we need to type here. We need to use your username. As you can see, my username is Saru7, and what's your username? Make sure. Then github.io is a default, and after that / you need to put your repository name, and our repo name is Netflix clone website. And as you can see here, this is our website. Netflix sign in, everything is here. And this is our live website. So you can clone any website and you can host any website. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.